We're starting to see a lot more pharmaceutical companies entertain the concept of sending medical affairs teams, MSLs, through account management training. And I think the main reason why we're starting to see this trend emerge now is that even though MSLs and medical affairs will always need to maintain the firewall between their teams and commercial teams from a compliance standpoint, and they, of course, will never have incentives for moving product, they are getting called into these environments on a much more frequent basis. Why is that happening? It's happening because the type of clinical conversation that they can drive, backed by clinical evidence and HEOR, is becoming a much more popular conversation for customer decision makers to have, not just leading up to a drug getting on formulary or securing a listing, but even after the fact, even during pull-through efforts, to get the MSL more involved, to understand the clinical reasons why their allegiance to one medication over another is so important. So as that happens, MSLs are getting called more often to go into complex environments where there's new types of decision makers, and they can benefit now from account management training that helps them understand the context and timing of their conversations with these customer stakeholders, and where those conversations fit in along the timeline of advancing goals, both for the pharma company and for their customers, in terms of what both groups are trying to achieve.